Hello everyone. Today I Guran Moldeep of class 7C is going to talk about project of sericulture and process of obtaining silk from silkworm. So this is the introduction page of my project. Sericulture. Silk is a strong but light and soft cloth having shimmering appearance. The silk fiber are also animal fiber obtained from the cocoons of silk moth or silkworm. The rearing of silk moths for obtaining silk is called sericulture. Different species of silkworm are mulberry, airy, nuga, tasser. Most widely used species of silkworm are Bombay X mori, most widely used species of silkworm. Obtaining silk from silkworm. The female silk moth lays hundreds of tiny eggs on the mulberry leaves. The larvae that hatch out of the eggs are called caterpillars. The caterpillars feed on mulberry leaves vigorously and grow in size. When a caterpillar is ready to enter the pupal stage, it stops feeding and its salivary gland secretes fiber around the pupa. The fiber is made of proteins which hardens on exposure to air and forms a cover around the pupa. This cover around the pupa is called cocoon. Cocoon is ball shaped and is formed of silk fiber. Process of obtaining silk from silkworm. Process of obtaining silk from silkworm is the breeding and management of silk moth. For the production of silk involve the following steps. The eggs of silk moth are stored on the strips of cloth or paper and sold to silkworm farmers. The eggs are reared in hygienic conditions at suitable temperature and humidity till the larvae came out. The silk moth larvae are fed on mulberry leaves under the controlled conditions. Fully grown cocoon are then stored out according to their color, size, shape, and texture. The stored cocoons are immersed in boiled water or exposed to steam. This kills the pupae inside the cocoon. The cocoons are then put through a series of hot and cold immersions. This sericin or silk gum is gummy substance that holds the two strands of fibroin protein of a silk fiber together. The next step of the process of unwinding silk filament from the cocoon, this is called reeling the filament. 3 to 10 filaments of cocoon are usually reeled together to produce the filament of raw silk of desired thickness. Silk fibers are spun into silk threads which are used by the weavers to weave the silk cloth. Uses of silk clothing. Clothes made of silk fiber are often expensive and have a high perceived value. When silk fiber is twisted in the weaving process, different silk fabrics are created such as crepe, shantung, and satin. Dupioni is a type of Indian silk suitable for men's shirts or women's dresses. The woven silk fiber makes soft, flowing nightgowns and robes. Chiffon silk is a soft and light silk made from a very highly twisted yarn. Strong but still very thin, used for women's formal dresses. Raw silk is often used for men's sport coats, women's suits and coats. When layers of liquid sericin is left on the silk fiber, a rough and coarse silk is produced known as raw silk. Thank you for watching my video and have a nice day.